Avalanche coin Avax becomes the overwhelming focus with its state-of-the-art Avalanche agreement, mixing confirmation of work and verification of stake for fast exchanges and adaptable subnets. Avax stands apart for high throughput, interoperability, and eco-accommodating innovation, denoting its presence in the unique universe of decentralized finance. Assuming you're searching for Avalanche cost expectations figure for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Avalanche Avax will go from now on, we will examine the previous costs of Avalanche Avax and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also, anticipating something so amazing is totally unthinkable. In any case, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Avalanche is $36.87 and Avax is at present position #11 in the whole crypto environment. The dissemination supply of Avalanche is 392.93.308 with a market cap of $14,486,212. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 318% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Avax with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. From most recent 7 days, the Avax was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 376%. Avalanche has shown areas of strength for extremely of late, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and contribute. We foresee future Avalanche cost expectations Avax figure by applying profound man-made brainpower helped specialized investigation on the past value information of Avalanche. We give our all to gather greatest verifiable information for the Avax coin, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, Avalanche market cap, Avalanche volume, and not many more. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital currencies and need great profit from your ventures, try to peruse our forecasts. Avalanche value expectation synopsis. Avalanche cost figure recommends a chance of Avax exchanging between $68.43 to $83.34 in 2025. Avalanche is as of now evaluated at $36.87 on the lookout. In a bullish situation, Avalanche could outperform the $45.278 mark for 2050, exhibiting expected vertical energy. There is potential for Avalanche cost to encounter a huge flood, coming to as high as $537.59 toward the finish of 2030. Experts project a bullish pattern for Avalanche in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $30.956 mark. Avalanche value expectation 2024. The cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at least degree of $47.25 in 2024. The Avalanche cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $55.60 with the typical cost of $48.78 all through 2024. Avalanche Value Forecast 2025. According to the gauge and specialized examination, in 2025 the cost of Avalanche is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $68.43. The Avax cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $83.34 with the typical worth of $70.87. Avax value gauge for 2026. According to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2026 the cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $103.17. The Avax cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $118.53 with the typical exchanging cost of $106.01. Avalanche Avax Value Forecast 2027. The cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $141.41 in 2027. The Avalanche cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $177.86 with a typical exchanging cost of $146.72 all through 2027. Avalanche Value Expectation 2028. The cost of one Avalanche is supposed to reach at the very least degree of $212.16 in 2028. The Avax cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $247.90 with the typical cost of $290.49 all through 2028. Avalanche Value Expectation 2029. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Avax, in 2029 the cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $303.99. The Avax cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $368.35 with the typical exchanging cost of $312.77. Avalanche Avax Value Expectation 2030. as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Avax. In 2030, the cost of Avalanche is determined to be at around a base worth of $446.37. The Avalanche value worth can arrive at a limit of $537.59 with a typical exchanging worth of $458.88 in USD. Avalanche value gauge 2031. Avalanche cost is gauged to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $648.34 in 2031. According to our discoveries, the Avax cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $766.77 with the typical gauge cost of $666.70. Avalanche Avax value forecast 2032. The cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $980.34 in 2032. The Avalanche cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $104 with a typical exchanging cost of $107 all through 2032. Avalanche value expectation 2033. Avalanche cost is figured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $14 or 23 in 2033. According to our discoveries, the Avax cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $1 to $655 with the typical gauge cost of $1,463. Avalanche value estimate 2040. Understanding business sector patterns and opinions is critical, however feeling can be whimsical. Looking at current market elements can offer bits of knowledge into potential cost developments, however taking into account the more extensive ecosystem is fundamental. In 2040, the most extreme cost of Avalanche is supposed to reach $30,956, with a typical exchanging worth of $27,225. The base cost is projected to be around $25,177. Avax value conjecture for 2050. Long-haul expectations ought to be drawn closer with alert because of the innate vulnerabilities in the digital money market. Broadening and remaining informed about the most recent advancements are key procedures for overseeing chances related with long-haul crypto ventures. According to our Avax cost expectation, the year 2050 can end with a most extreme cost of $45,278, while the base value worth of an Avalanche can be around $39,880 with the coin exchanging at a typical cost of $41 to $723 approximately. Avalanche value gauge facts. What is the fate of Avalanche? The fate of Avalanche is profoundly subject to the general exhibition of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into Avax, you really want to ensure that you are utilizing the right technique. This kind of speculation isn't appropriate for those with a deviated risk profile. In any case, still a great venture for those who have a high capacity to bear risk and a strong monetary position. Notwithstanding its theoretical nature, Avax likewise offers openness to a worldwide innovation and a consistently developing environment. What amount will Avalanche